Hi, welcome back to Abracadabra Fertility Chef, and welcome to my humble kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make a smoothie, a fertility smoothie for your everyday folate intake. It's a really easy way to incorporate a lot of good fruit and vegetables, raw fruit and vegetables into your diet. And if you're on a time budget, if you're on the go, you can do this every morning. It will save you a lot of time and give you a lot of energy. Instead of drinking coffee, you can have one of these, and it's like a powerhouse. You feel it instantly. Coffee is just it literally doesn't give you any energy. Yeah, it only blocks the fatigue signal from your body, so you don't feel it. You don't feel tired after you drink coffee, but it doesn't give you the real energy that you need, and your body needs to be fertile. So I recommend you use this recipe for your fertile needs, and I can't wait to get started because I really wanted to have a sip. Alright, let's get right into it. I'll see you on the other side. Alright, as you can see, here's our ingredients for the smoothie, the fertility smoothie for every morning needs. Here we have kiwi, and this is frozen berries and cherries. Got blueberries and blackberries and some cherries in there. Here we have kale. It's been washed up. Yeah, it's been fully washed. And here we have some mint. And there we have some spinach. And we also have some pumpkin seeds for boosting your natural progesterone and hormone balance. There we have flax seeds. It can boost your omega-3 fatty acids. And obviously, we want it to taste really good, so we add some bananas. And we're gonna use the milk.
You're gonna use it, yeah.
The whole milk, homogenized whole milk, for our as a solution for our base, liquor base. So we're just gonna start blending it, right? What do you have
Lots
to
of
say?
nice variety of everything. So it gives you all your fruits and your veggies, and then it's also giving you your seeds and then your dairy. So you're getting a lot of variety to start your day.
Yeah, right on.
So it's great.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just peel it as we go. This kale. Kale gives you a lot of calcium and a lot of folate. This is the ultimate folic drink. I give you like a ton of folate, and I'll actually calculate how much folate we're gonna have from this. This one, that's I would say that's 1 cup. Next, I'm gonna put in the berries.
Berries.
Well, that's a nice color, right?
You can see the antioxidants. Antioxidants, right?
Yeah,
Antioxidants, yeah.
Made the flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds. Balance your hormones. Estrogen, progesterone. And kiwi, so much vitamin C.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Well, we have so much ingredient today. Mm.
It's the mint. Mint has a lot of folate too. Plus, it gives a really refreshing flavor. And some. I'm just gonna jam in there, I guess. For a lot.
Yeah, it's so much today.
We'll see how it goes.
Well, if we need to blend twice, then you blend twice, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just the way it is.
And the banana on top.
And then the bananas on top.
That's one banana.
Yeah, one whole banana. And then gonna do the milk.
Whole milk. Of course, you can use almond milk
Yes.
too.
Yeah, almond milk is nice. Almond milk is nice. You can see, like, it's going like that. It's great. You think you want more milk than that, or is that? Mm-hmm. Okay, I think that should be good now. Now we're going to.
Yeah, now I'm just gonna put on the blender and see.
Oh, that looks so
look at
good.
those bubbles.
Look at the bubbles. That's antioxidants, right? You can actually see them.
It smells minty.
Mmm.
Smell the peppermint.
Yeah, you can actually smell the mint.
Wow.
Wow. It's great. Okay.
Heart.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Wow.
Oh, that's a two full cup.
Yes. Yeah, it fills both cups up. It fills both up for this amount, so it's good. So just enough to start the day. So good. So many bubbles.
Mmm.
Mmm. It's good?
It's amazing. It's mind-blowing amazing. It has so much nutrients. I can literally feel it. And you can see my speech even got better. Oh, I can taste the kiwi. I can taste the mint. The mint really give a refreshing note, and the kiwi really give a vitamin C boost, and it's like citrusy taste.
Wow, my mouth's watering.
I think this is way better than coffee because if you drink coffee all the time, especially if you're trying to get pregnant, if you drink 4 cups, like 4 cups of coffee every day, you have 30% chance of getting a miscarriage. Whilst if you drink this, you get a mouthful sensation and a confidence boost. Plus, you get like you just make yourself feel better every day.
And you'll
You
get pregnant in no time.
You get lots of folate, and you never have to worry about not getting enough folate. So you get like natural whole food, and you wash it, make sure it's clean, and it's like self-love ultimately. And coffee is essentially caffeine as a drug. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try this recipe every morning. Okay, enjoy it.